We'll use discounted payback period to determine whether our projects L and S are worthwhile. With discounted payback period, the application is the same. How long does it take us to recover the cost of a project? But instead of using our raw cash flows, we're going to use the present value of those cash flows. So we're going to need to know the firm's cost of capital. Well, for projects L and S, we're going to be using a 10% cost of capital. So this is project L. Remember that it had a $100 cost followed by a $10 cash inflow year one, $60 in year two, $80 in year three. So instead of using these cash flows to recover the $100, we're going to use the present value of those cash flows. We are going to treat each one as a lump sum, and using some of our tools from Chapter 5, the time value of money, we will find the present value of each one. So the present value of $10 received 1 year into the future. So $10 is our future value, 10% is our interest rate, N, or our time, is 1. The present value is $9.09. For cash flow that occurs at the end of year two, $60. $60 is our future value. 2 is N. The interest rate is yet again 10. And the present value of that $60 is $49.59. $80 received 3 years into the future. Its present value is $60.11. So $80 is the future value, N is 3, the interest rate is 10, and the present value is $60.11. It is these cash flows that we're going to use to recover the $100 cost. So after year one, we've only recovered $9.09. We still have $90.91 left to recover of our $100 cost. After year two rolls around, we recover another $49.59. So cumulatively, we'll have recovered $58.68. We still have another $41.32 to recover. Again, eyeballing between 2 and 3, the present value of year 3's cash flow is $60.11. So we know we've got that $41.32 covered. So the total recovery will occur somewhere between years 2 and 3. So our discounted payback for project L is 2 years plus the $41.32 we have left to recover after year 2 and $60.11. That's the cash flow, the present value of the cash flow in year 3. So our discounted payback for project L is 2.7 years. I'm sure that you can find the discounted payback for project S, again using the 10% weighted average cost of capital. Discounted payback period also has a decision rule. If a firm's discounted payback period is less than some predetermined length the firm has deemed as acceptable, the project is good to go. It is accepted. If the project's discounted payback period is greater than some predetermined length the firm has deemed as acceptable, the project is rejected. In other words, it just takes too long to recover the costs according to the rules the firm has set for itself. Here are two examples that I've worked for you on Show Me. Follow the links. The strengths and weaknesses of discounted payback period. Again, discounted payback period provides an indication of a project's risk and liquidity. The sooner it pays back, the less risk and the more liquid that project is. It's easy to calculate and understand, and discounted payback period does consider time value of money, so that's a plus. But it still suffers from weaknesses. It ignores what goes on beyond that discounted payback period. Could be something great, could be something awful. Doesn't matter. And there's no relationship between the payback and wealth maximization.